Well, while sipping my coffee, and I thought something I have to share with people, I'm going to show two things in Emacs in this particular video: how to define a word and how to use a local thesaurus, which will provide you the synonymous word for a particular word. Okay, this could be done on a particular word or selected region. These are the very handy facility which is available inside Emacs. Okay, to give you some sort of demonstration, let me go to my Emacs client, which I have already opened. So I'm not going to do anything fancy. So you see the piece of text here. I'm going to operate on this particular text just to make things very minimal and precise. See, I have put my cursor on a particular word. Okay, so it could be anything. I need to find out what that word debugging means. Okay, so that's why it is called define word. In my system, I have a keybind which will bring up the solution. Okay, so meta and forward slash. Look at the bottom of the screen. My cursor was on a particular word and I press meta and forward slash, which brings us this information for that particular word. It says present participle of debug. Okay, and it shows you transitive verb related explanation, what it is debugging means. It could be any. The package name is define word, which has to be installed in Emacs beforehand. So if you put your cursor, if I select this particular word, controls, say I have selected it, meta and forward slash. See, it brings up the definition of a particular word. It could be applied to selected region too. This is very handy. Okay, so I'll show you what the configuration I have in my .emacs in a moment. So before doing that, let me show you another stuff which I wanted to show you. Something called Thesaurus, and mind you, this has to be Thesaurus provides some synonymous word of a particular word which you could take advantage of. Either you insert them or you replace them the existing word. You know what Thesaurus means, right? The beauty of this that you have to have a word net which will be having a local thesaurus in your system, so you do not have to go out in the internet to fetch stuff. Okay, so you should install WordNet from your OS package manager. Okay, in turn it will provide a WN binary which comes along with the package. It is required. In Emacs, Thesaurus provided by a package called Thesaurus. Okay, so this package provide the thesaurus of a particular word or region of word. Let me show you. I'm going somewhere and I'm arbitrarily select this particular. I have selected a particular word. In my system, there are several options for, as I mentioned, you can replace the particular word, you can find the synonymous word, you can, in this case I'm going to look out for the synonymous stuff in thesaurus of this particular highlighted word. Okay, and in my system I have to, the thesaurus or Thesaurus package keybind start with Control C and Control S. Okay, Control C, Control S, and look at the bottom of the screen. It shows you, if I press I, it will do Thesaurus choose and insert. It will insert a word. If I choose L, it will show me the lookup in the WordNet database Okay, when you install the package from your operating system WordNet, it will build a database. This L option will basically search through that. The Sinusaurus Emacs package behind the scene using this WN binary, okay, to search that database. If I use R, it will simply choose and replace the particular word. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm showing you the, if I want to look up for this particular highlighted word, just press L. Look at the bottom of the screen, it says it already chosen the default word, okay, which I have highlighted. If I press enter, see, it open up a buffer with a similar words related to therefore, consequently, okay, and hence, and thence, and thus, and so. So this is very handy. This is all happening locally, so you do not have to go out in the internet and fetch out something. This is very handy. Okay, this is to find a thesaurus through a package called Sinusaurus. Okay, and the Sinusaurus package has got Control C and Control S binding prefix. I shown you it has got 3 options. Okay, so if you follow along, you see there are various options. You can see it provide. I showed you in the mini buffer few seconds back. If you don't get it, you can get it like this, that this package has to be installed in Emacs beforehand. It has to work. As I mentioned, you also have to have WordNet package from your operating system manager to be installed there. Why? Because this Sinusaurus Emacs package use WN binary from that WordNet package. Got it? Okay. Likewise, if you do define word, I shown you that metaphor slash, which will provide a particular words, what that particular word is, right? Define word at point, which is bind to meta and forward slash. There are other things, right? So if I do selected what, meta and forward slash, see, it comes up like this. It basically search the local WordNet dictionary to find out about that particular selected word. Mind you, it works on region 2. I'm showing it you on a particular word, selected word, or if your cursor on a particular word, you could invoke the same instead of selecting, right? So these are very handy stuff. You can get things locally, right? And I have some bindings in my Emacs, I believe. This is the stuff I have in my .emacs. Don't worry about the key bindings, what it is showing, but you have to install Sinusaurus and define what this 2 package has to be installed in Emacs to get this 2 particular functionality to be available inside Emacs. Okay, these are very handy, and this all happening locally inside your machine, so you don't have to go out in the internet and find out stuff. So I thought it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.